maraming pwedeng gawin, maraming responsibilities, and of course, maraming distractions. So the fact that you are here already means you've made time to learn, to improve, and to understand the business more clearly. And that's exactly what we want this opportunity to be. Not complicated, not overwhelming, just a clearer understanding of what to do, why it matters, and how to move forward with direction. So before we officially begin, let's make this room a little more personal. Please type one word to describe your day today. Go ahead. One word to describe your day today. Isang simpleng salita lang. Ayan, from Hazel May de Fontoro, meaningful. Thank you. Sino pa? Wala na. So ano nangyari sa day ninyo? And before we officially begin, ayan, may humabol. I am the May exciting. Ayan, excited and blessed si Sir Arnel, Ma'am Liz, challenging. Thank you, Ma'am Franciline, complete. Wow. Sino ang Ayan. And before we officially begin, I would like to request everyone to open your cameras. I will give you 10 seconds to open your cameras. I will be mentioning names here na hindi nag-open ng camera. Mas maganda ang conversation kapag hindi lang puro names ang nakikita natin sa screen. Yes or yes? Yan. And before we proceed, let me set a few simple expectations. May tumawag.
Akala ng marami
As much as possible, minimize distractions for the next part of the opportunity. Second, prepare your notebook and pen. Hindi kailangan isulat lahat. Listen for the ideas that make you think. And this is something I need to apply. And third, participate. If the speaker asks a question or favors, use the chat. If something means react, and if you have a realization, write it down. And a quick reminder lang then before we move forward, we are also live right now on Facebook page Community Lifestyles Pilipinas. Go ahead, share the link, and of course, share mo din yung Zoom link natin today. Yes or yes? So if you know someone, a friend, family member, teammate, or anyone who may benefit from this session, feel free to share the live. Before we officially begin, may invite everyone to join me in a short prayer. Let us bow our heads and let's close our eyes. I will be praying as a Christian. If you're not a Christian, I do honor and respect you. You can pray on your own or you can pray with me. Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing us together today. Salamat po sa pagkakataong matuto, mag-grow at mas maging intentional sa mga goals at decisions namin. We may all come from different backgrounds and different situations, but today, you have given us the same opportunity to learn something that can help us move forward. Give us open mind to learn, to understand, and give us humble hearts to receive corrections, and give us that wisdom to recognize what we need to apply after this session. Bless our speaker today, guide every word that will be shared, and may the lessons we receive not only inspire us, but help us become more disciplined, more responsible, and more intentional in the way we build. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank you, everyone. Now, before I introduce our speaker, I want to leave one idea with you. Our advocacy is simple: build assets and be free. But building an asset requires more than desire. It requires a system, and it requires people, not just people, but right people to willingly work with that system. Yes or yes? And to guide us properly through that process, allow me to introduce our speaker. A former cashier at one of the biggest appliance company in Davao City. In 2018, runner-up for Consistency and Productivity Award and proud product of the Lifestyles product. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our International Marketing Director, Ma'am Christy May Gornes. Take it away, Ma'am May.
Yes, good morning everyone. Good morning. Wow, ang dami-dami natin dito sa Zoom room, no? Meron na tayong 15 million. So, dapat invite tayo ng marami, lalo na yung merong mga bago dyan na mga distributors. It's because ito po yung pinaka-importante na dapat maringgan nila before daw mag-lapse ang 72 hours. Yes or yes? Agree ba kayo dyan? Agree na agree. Alam kong agree na agree po kayo dyan. It's because you are so all excited. Tama ba ako? Type me dyan kung you are all excited. Mag-participate po tayo para naman ganahan yung speaker dito. And thank you very much sa ating very energetic na host, no? Napakagaling. Hangang-hanga talaga ako na, na nalagay niya dito yung, sabi ni Rodrigo, excited. Sabi din ni Arnel, excited. Excited daw sila lahat. Okay, let me start with, ang topic ko ngayon, it's about Jumpstart Basic. So, our team advocacy. Alam niyo ba kung ano ang ating team advocacy? Our team advocacy is to build assets and be free. By the way, magpakilala muna ako. I am the May Garnes, one of the international marketing directors of Lifestyles. And I am so very happy and I'm so very thankful na binigyan ako ng task to explain to you this, that kasi dapat marinig ito ng mga bago, kasi marami akong bago dyan sa Davao City, no? Ang iba feeling bago, no? Makinig kayo dyan, shout out tayo kay Rodrigo, kay Miguel, no? kay kay Honey, kapatid ni Lala. Kasi even though hindi pa siya nag-sign up, pero kompleto na siya ng training dito sa Lifestyles. And ito yung first time na maririnig niya itong Jumpstart Basic na galing sa akin. Of course, parati naman tayo dito, no? Kaya our team advocacy is to build assets and be free. Parang sabi pa nila na we are building assets kasi itong assets natin ang magbibigay sa atin ng freedom, no? Ang lalim pala nito. So, the best option to build assets is through network marketing with the AB franchising system. Marami naman tayong network marketing, pero kailangan daw when we enter or kung magsali daw tayo ng network marketing, dapat naka-franchise. Yan yung sabi dito sa book ni Robert Kiyosaki, yung title niya is The Business of the 21st Century. And eto, ang assets daw equals network. Network of, anong tawag dito sa mga networks natin? Ito yung users and distributors. Pag marami kang users, ay tumataginting na 40% 40% na profit up 10% to 40% na profit. And pag marami kang distributors, ito yung mga royalty bonus. Yes or yes? Pero meron ditong question. Ang question naman dito, how do you create a strong, solid, and stable network? Kailangan din meron tayong strong and solid network. So, ang answer is must have a system to follow and people to work with the system. Kaya ang formula niya is system plus people. Hindi ito yung network na people lang. Kasi pag people lang, walang system is hindi magiging stable ang ating network. And of course, ang network natin equal system plus people. Paano natin yan gawin? Is, ano ba yung system? Ma'am, ano ba yung system? Ang system is number 1, yung jumpstart. I-jumpstart mo kaagad. Itong ginagawa natin ngayon, itong gi-present ko sa inyo ngayon is, ito yung jumpstart. Ito yung skills, no? Then, pag na-jumpstart na, after 48 hours, it's a big no-no na hindi ka agad i-jumpstart ang bagong sign up natin. Kailangan i-jumpstart siya within 48 hours or else you are violating the rule. So, yan. STP, ano ba yan? STP, yan yung action. Then, kung ma-STP mo siya habang, di ba, habang nag-STP tayo is, meron tayong mga appointments na hindi tayo siputin. Kaya, i-NDSO natin, yan yung mindset. And the counseling, which is the mastery. Ano ba? How do you find the PNB, find people, the PNB finder cycle? Dapat, di ba, i-jumpstart mo daw siya. Then, STP, 2-on-1. Yun, NDSO mo. Then, follow up. Pagkatapos ng follow up is mag-order na yan ng product. And that's the cycle. Pag mag-order na ng product, yung pag-order niya, mag-sign up ka, i-jumpstart mo na naman, STP mo na naman, i-follow up na naman yung mga prospect niya, and so on and so forth. Paikot-ikot lang yan siya. But, how do you maintain the right mindset? Kasi dito, pag gawin natin itong jumpstart, STP, NDSO, follow-up, product order, may mga negative tayong mai-encounter along the way. Para ma-maintain yung right mindset natin, kailangan ng vitamins sa ating business. Ano itong vitamins? Yan yung ruta. Ano ba yung ruta? Read books or watch videos. Ito yung pang-recharge natin. So, you use the products. Kasi kahit na in-negative tayo, kung naka-benefit tayo ng products, hindi tayo basta-basta ma-discourage. And talk upline or kailangan may regular counseling. Dapat nga weekly ang counseling nito. Attend, participate, and promote events. Kailangan din tayong may weekly na gatherings and participate all the events, not only participate but also promote it para naman to gather yung tayo, same energy tayo mag-gather together, recharge again, di ba? Eto, start na tayo. Ito, introduction lang yon. Welcome to Jumpstart Workshop Basic. Okay, palakpakan naman natin ang sarili natin. Virtual clap tayo kasi magsisimula na ang ating Jumpstart Workshop natin ngayon. First is part 1, set the target. Kailangan iset natin yung target natin. Bakit kailangan tayo ng target? Para may focus or may direction yung gagawin natin. Halimbawa, nag-sign up yung bagong distributor natin ng express or instant, kailangan ma-jumpstart and iset. Paano i-jumpstart siya? Number 1 is to set the target sa kanya. Dapat i-introduce ang Life Builder Program. Bakit Life Builder Program? Kasi dito sa Life Builder may free. Halimbawa ang DD. Kailangan kung magtanungin mo ano ba yung i-target natin, ilang gusto mo ba na free or Life Builder ang makuha mo this month. Pag sabihin niya na one box, then automatic, kung makuha mo yung 1 box, kailangan meron kang 2 sign up na direct. It's either express direct or instant direct or mixed of that. So, ang step 1, explanation. I-explain natin ang month target. Halimbawa lang, 1 case intra-free. So, ang ma-income niya niyan is, of course, halimbawa, assuming na express direct 2 ang mapasign up, kagaya niyan, kung makita mo dyan, 2 express direct, yon, magkaroon ka ng bonus na 14,000 for Mr. A and another 14,000 na wholesale profit kay Mr. B. Good or good? Di ba? Napaka-good ng business. And hindi lang yan. Meron ka pang 1 case of intra-free. No? Galing-galing naman. Then, ang total mo na income, total for that one lang na target mo, one box of intra or one life builder program is 44,000 pesos. Ayan, bayad na ang utang in just 1 month. Kung meron tayong utang na, lagay natin, meron tayong loan na 40,000. So, in just 1 month, pwede naman pala siyang bayaran. 'Di ba? Hindi na siya arawan pa natin. So, kung alimbawa, ang sabihin ng bagong distributor natin, gusto niya ng 2 life builder program, gusto kong uminom ng product na iligo ko pa. So, of course, 4 na Express Direct or mix or combination of instant or express na 4 para magkaroon ng 2 life builders in a month. May note dito, if not a DD yet, the daily target is 1 bottle a day to achieve the DD status. Nag-heart si Miguel from Davao City, bago natin yan. Para siya maging direct distributor, kasi distributor ka pa, kailangan ang daily target mo is makabenta ka ng 1 bottle a day. Pero alam mo ba na every bottle, meron kang 360 pesos na profit, 'di ba? Good or good. So ano pa yung part 2? How to achieve the target? So ang step 1, ano ito? Write the target requirements, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Nakalagay diyan, 1 life builder or yan. Ito, step 2, ask the target, 'di ba? Sabihin mo, ang gusto ko na target is 2 life builder. 'Di ba kailangan tagi-tagi daw natin 'yan. Huwag nating tingnan yung kabuuan niya, no? Kailangan kung may target is meron tayong pocket monitors lalo na, 'di ba? Para ma-achieve natin yung target. Kasi ito yung tracker, no? Ito yung tracker natin. Ano 'yan? Statistically, if you want to lose weight, I want to lose weight 8 kilos in a month. Anong gagawin natin? Pag 8 kilos, wow, in 1 month, 8 kilos, di ba? Nakakawindang. Pero, when you divide it, 8 kilos, so in a week, 4 weeks, 2 kilos a week. In a day, ilan ba? So, di ba? I-divide mo siya in 7 days, di ba? 2 kilos divided by 7. Ay, ang konti pala, kaya pala achievable. Dito naman din sa lifestyles, kung gusto mo ng halimbawa ang sagot ng bagong distributor natin, gusto niya ng maging executive director. Kung gusto mo mag-executive director or for express direct in 1 month, kailangan makabenta ka or makadispose ka ng 4 bottles in 1 day. No, in a day. Para ma-achieve mo ang executive director. If regional director, 2 lang, of course, 2 bottles a day. If you want naman na 1 express direct or 1 qualification is 1 bottle a day lang. No, kaya nga hindi ko maintindihan yung mga distributors na hindi dito sa Jumpstart, hindi ko maintindihan yung mga distributors bakit hindi maka-qualify na 1 bottle a day lang naman ang qualification or 1 express direct, 1 bottle a day lang naman. What if, ma'am, hindi ako makabenta kasi hindi ko naman yan kontrolado? Okay, hindi mo yan siya controlled, pero be sure that you have to talk 3 to 5 people a day with a business plan presentation in the next 90 days to build a momentum. Kung gusto mo ring ma-achieve yung iyong goal, huwag kang bababa sa 3 tao na makausap mo, new people a day, 3 to 5 people a day. Pero alam niyo ba bakit 11 months lang naging Global Marketing Director si GMD June Igot? Because hindi 3 to 5 people a day ang ginawa niya, kundi 3 to 5 people a day. Okay. Yan, achieve the target. Step 1, how to achieve the target? So, step 1, write the target requirements. Ano yan? Kailangan isulat mo sa notebook yung mga assets natin dito sa business. Di ba ang assets natin are our list of people. Paano ba natin? Di ba ang iba, ma'am, wala akong kakilala. So, wala kang kakilala, pero himay-himayin natin. First mo, ilagay dyan sa notebook mo yung relatives and friends mo. Yung relatives mo and close friends mo. 'Di ba? May idea ka na. Ito lang yung mga target requirements natin. And B, meron siyang triggered questions. Meron dito sa atin, dito sa ano natin, franchising kit natin, may mga triggered questions dyan para malaman natin, para ma-remind tayo kung sino ba yung ilagay natin na mga list of people. Yan yung mga una-una nating puntahan. Then, kailangan malaman din ng ating apply or ating yung nag-invite sa atin, yung sponsor, ang list of dreams natin. So, kasi dyan tayo magbe-base. Kasi, di ba, the bigger your dreams, bigger din yung effort na ibibigay mo dito. No? Hindi naman bigger your dreams, wala kang effort, or bigyan mo lang ito ng part-time na time, or hindi nga, pang ano, spare time mo lang ito. Hindi natin makukuha yung big dreams natin. So, ang step 2, profiling relatives and friends. Pag makuha mo na lahat yun, may listahan ka na, i-profiling natin yan ang ating relatives and friends. Paano ba yan mag-profiling? Alam na alam yan ng mga sponsors natin, 'di ba? Ano 'yon? Yung mag-profile, 'di ba? Alam niyo naman. Oh, kung yung mga cannot say no to you, may mga sakit, yung ano ba, business-minded, 'di ba? Oh. Then, ang step 3, kailangan na may skills workshop ka with your sponsor or ikaw mag-skills workshop ka sa bagong na-sponsoran mo. Ano skills workshop natin? Itong making appointment. Kailangan malaman ito ng ating new sponsor ang pag-make appointment. Kaya tayo mga applies, tayo mga nag-sponsors, malaki masyado ang ating role dito. Kaya nga sabi ko na be prepared dito sa lifestyles. Hindi tayo nag-workshop dito how to sell intra kasi ang intra saleable na yan. But to be prepared sa bagong downline natin na papasok. Dapat alam natin gawin paano mag-jumpstart, paano mag-workshop ng making appointment. Dapat alam natin yan. Kasi pag ginagawa natin yan, alam natin yan. Then product follow-up. At game plan interview. So, step by step, i-explain ko yan sa inyo. Ano ba yung relatives and friends natin? Ito yung mga who are my relatives from my mother's side, di ba? Who are my relatives from my father's side? Isulat mo kaagad yan. Ito, screenshots nyo yan, mga bago, para malaman natin. Ito mga triggers questions natin. Who are my neighbors? Past and present. 'Di ba? Yung mga naga-board lang, wala akong kakilala dito sa Davao, 'di ba, Mikel? Pero meron kang mga neighbors diyan sa palibot ng boarding house mo. Yan ang ating ilalagay sa listahan. Who are my classmates? Your elementary, high school, college, masteral, doctoral, short-term courses na mga classmates natin and etc. Who are my office mates? Yung mga ano natin, katrabaho natin dyan, don't pre-qualify. My God, kasi itong relatives and friends natin, based on my experience, pang praktisanan lang ito. Ito, yung business associates mo, kung member in an organization, past and present. Kaya nga sabi no, we have to participate in any organization, in any community. Kung mag-join ka ng Zumba class, mag-join ka ngayon, kahit na hindi ka marunong mag-pickleball ka para meron kang bagong associates. Who are the professionals? Sino ba yung doctor mo, dentist, priest, teacher, bill collector mo, yung plumber mo ba? 'Di ba? Then, ano pa? Who are my friends and relatives abroad? Kailangan isulat niyo dyan. Note, as you write your list, don't pre-qualify. Huwag mo sabihin, ay, ito walang pera, ito ganyan. Huwag po. Because lahat yan, prospect mo. Or list of people mo. Asset mo yan sa business. So part 2, achieve the target. Paano ba mag-achieve ng target? Step 1, write the target requirement, yung relatives and friends mo. Then, workshop now, ngayon na. Yung triggered questions, assignment natin ito. Nasa next slides natin ha, ipakita natin. Yan, ito yung mga, di ba makita niyo dyan, kung wala kang kakilala, meron kang kakilala, tignan mo yung FB friends mo. Tignan mo yung Facebook directories. Isa-isahin mo yan. Nandyan yan. Even yung mga delivery drivers natin, di ba ngayon, yung mga Grab drivers, pwede na natin yung ilista. Yung sino yung mahilig dyan sa TikTok, no? Mag-order sa TikTok, yung mag-deliver. Use this list to help you think of people that could benefit from being introduced to lifestyles. Yan. Yung kung sino dyan yung may invitation list, no? Sa wedding, sa birthday. Di ba sabi ni Miguel, wala siyang kakilala dito sa Davao. Meron ka namang landlord, meron kang landlady, etc. No? Ano pa? Step 2, yung profiling ng relatives and friends. And step 3, skills workshop, making appointment. Okay. Ayan, dito na tayo sa write the target requirements. Meron dyan. Step 2, in step 3, so dito naman tayo, our dreams. Yan ang our big why. Kailangan nating malaban yung dreams natin. Kailangan talaga yan na malaman natin ang ating dreams. Kaya yung mga bago dyan, how to come up with 101 list of dreams. Kailangan daw magkuha ka ng notebook dyan, isulat mo yung 101 list of dreams mo. Ano lang ito, parang kung sa Bisaya pahilas ni siya. Pero kailangan mong isulat because magiging totoo yan. Kasi nga may libro nga na write it down and make it happen. As they say, the person with big dreams is more powerful than the one with all the facts. That is important in our business. In network marketing, 98% of the business is our big why. Bakit gawin mo tong business na to? Because our business is simple but not easy. Simple siyang gawin, hindi siya easy because kailangan siyang gawin consistently. Being consistent is not easy, but kung parati tayong nakikinig or uma-attend ng workshops is marirealize natin kung gaano ka-importante ang being consistent. So, ang part 2 natin is ang step 2 natin is profiling the relatives. Ayan, dito na tayo sa part 2, achieve the target, di ba? Na nag-workshop na tayo and dito na yung mga list of people na 'di ba, nalagay na diyan si Jean Patrick, si Love Canada, for example. Ito yung ating list of people. 8 pa lang 'yan. Kailangan ilagay diyan asterisk kung right market, 'di ba? Put asterisk, put A kung for appointment siya. Sino ba yung mga for appointment? Yung parang hindi posible na i-surprise visit mo like yung si Mayor, 'di ba? Kailangan dadaan ka muna sa secretary, magpa-set appointment ka. Ngayon kay Sir June, dadaan ka muna sa kanyang secretary bago ka magpa-appointment sa kanya. Yung mga very important person, 'di ba? Mga VIP. Then put V for surprise visit na pwede lang natin silang puntahan sa bahay anytime. Ma'am, paano natin malaman na nasa bahay lang? Syempre tawagan mo muna, 'di ba? Pero wag mo lang sabihin kung ano yung sadya mo sa kanya. Just call kung andyan ka ba sa bahay. So ano ba yung right market? Nalagyan natin ng asterisk is pag business-minded siya, kung can afford siya, kung cannot say no to you, kasi may malaki siyang utang na loob sa iyo at sa buong mong pamilya, or may or physically challenged na hindi siya makahindi sa ating business. It's because, sa ating product, it's because kailangan niya ang ating, ang intra. So yan, it's either of that for right market na requirements, pwede na yan, pasok na yan, lagyan na natin ng asterisk. And eto, kasi tapos na tayo sa making appointment na naman tayo sa part 2, achieve the target. So, nandito tayo, making appointment. Ano ba yung making appointment? Ito, number 1, set appointment. Appointment is set. So, paano ba mag-set ng appointment? Setting appointment is not equal to STP. Kung mag-set appointment ka, dapat kunin mo lang itong DPT. Ano yung DPT? Date, place, and time. Meron tayong 3 approaches. Ang first approach natin, leveraging approach, and ikadalawa, franchising approach. Yan yung business prospect. Ang keyword natin sa leveraging approach is asset building program. And sa franchising approach is online business. Then, ang prospect naman na mayroong sakit or need ang product kasi mayroon siyang physically challenged siya, ang keyword natin is detox program. Take note of it because this is so important. Ano pa? Ang setting appointment guidelines. Mayroon tayong script dito. Sample dito sa leveraging approach. Normally, it's a phone conversation. Sample lang ito. Makinig tayo. Ilan ba tayo dito sa room? Sa 20 million participants, no? Kailangan na may opening topic tayo. Ito, sample. Memorizein natin ito because we are a franchising business. Meaning sa franchising is sundin natin ito and may uniformity. Lahat ng mga AB, asset builders. So, opening topic, form. Ano ba yung form? Family, occupation, recreation, and mission. When you proceed to your business opportunity, it starts with a script. Ano yung powerful natin na pangkat ng ating ng pagka-marites natin kung nag-marites tayo? By the way. So, halimbawa, ikaw, nag-visit ka na. Ito, ano ba yung nagkaharapan na kayo ng prospect mo? Sabi mo, by the way, halimbawa ba, nagchikahan na kayo, tapos parang hindi ko siya maputol. Paano ba ako papasok? So, sa mga baguhan, or kahit na yung mga hindi pa bago, eto, may by the way tayo. Or sa Bisaya pa, lain pang ato ba? So, by the way, can I ask you a question? Maganyan yung prospect. Yes, sure. Have you heard about leveraging? Ang prospect naman, what is that? This is our asset building program. It's about building assets and become financially free. I have here the guide, but visual. So when are you available for coffee? Kailangan may power of choice. Ano yan? Weekend or weekdays? Di ba? Video call ito. If not okay, try again. Like, how about next weekend? Dapat kulit tayo dito ha. Kasi product din ako ng kulit. Or this coming holiday, etc. until you get an appointment. Kailangan may power of choice. It's not DPT. It's the DPT, not the opportunity that you sell out. Always present power of choice when you sell out an appointment. No? Kailangan talaga na huwag tayong mag-STP dito. Huwag tayong mag-mention ng about na intra. Because we are selling out here, kailangan lang natin makuha ang date, place, and time. So, date, place, and time lang pala. Oo, yan yung appointment. So, yan yung setting appointment. Ano naman ang franchising approach? Normally, it's a phone conversation also. Opening topic, form again. Ano yung form? Dapat, unahin, di ba, family? Di ba, gustong-gustong pag-usapan natin yung, ano ba yung form? Opening topic, sample nito. Ay, alam mo ba, Mare, kumusta naman yung anak mo? nabalitaan ko, nakapasa na daw siya sa CPA board exam. 'Di ba? Nakaka-invite ng good vibes, 'no? Magkwento yung prospect. Then, occupation. By the way, ano na pala ang, andun ka pa rin sa sa PNB, sa bank? 'Di ba manager ka doon, 'no? Tapos, ay, sa mga recreation, ano yung recreation? Ah, naglalaro ka ba ng pickleball? Mahilig ka ba rin 'yan? Ano bang pinagkakaabalahan mo 'pag walang klase or walang work and mission, 'yan. Tapos, 'di ba always na kayo, 'di ba nagkuwentuhan na kayo, nagsarapan na kayo ng kwento. Ang problema na naman natin how to cut off yun na topic para maka-butt-in ka na sa yung talagang gusto mong topic, which is intrahon ako ni. Ano ba yon? So, another magic na word is by the way. By the way, can I ask you a question? No? Ibahin mo? Yes, sure. What is your online business now? Yan ang franchising approach, ha? Ang prospect, what is that? Yun na naman. This is a franchise distributorship of essential products. I have here the guide, but visual. So, when are you available for coffee? Weekend or weekdays? Or video call? No? Pwedeng ganyan. Ipa-choose mo din, kasama sa choices niya ang pwede din mag-video call. Kailan tayo mag-video call? Pero take note, English lang ito, ha, pero you can translate you can translate it in Bisaya or yung preferred yun na language, kasi pangit naman na Bisaya ang inyong pagmarites, Bisaya, tapos by the way ka agad, tapos nag-English ka na, 'di ba? Halatang halata. Ano ba? Okay. It's the DPT or the date, place, and time, not the opportunity that you sell out. Always present power of choice when you sell out an appointment. And take note, huwag niyong habaan yung pagkukwentuhan niyo dito pag nag-by the way ka na. Kasi baka mag-end up na pag marami kang sinasalita, baka mapugos ka, no? Baka mapilitan kang maka-explain ng product. Iba talaga yung face-to-face. Okay. Yes or yes. And ano naman yung setting appointment guidelines for advocacy approach? Oh, normally, it's also a phone conversation. Diba? Ang opening topic, of course, kahit na advocacy pa yan, franchising approach or what, ang opening topic is form again about the family, occupation, recreation, and mission. So, ikaw, by the way, can I ask you a question? No? Ang prospect naman, yes, sure. What is your detox program? Oh, take note, detox program. What is that? It is all about fighting body pollution. This is my advocacy now since my family has benefited from it. I have here the guide but visual. So when are you available for coffee? Weekend or weekdays or video call? Di ba? If that's okay, try again, like how about next weekend or this upcoming holiday, etc. until you get an appointment. Again and again, because that's a phone conversation, never explain it yung ating product sa phone conversation. Dapat sa face-to-face. Kaya nga, sa face-to-face or video call na as in makakonsentrate ka siya. Always present power of choice when you sell out an appointment. 'Di ba? Napaka-exciting. Mayroon tayong role playing dito sa set appointment. But hindi na lang, gawin na lang natin ito sa workshop natin sa face-to-face. Okay. Making appointment na naman tayo, no? Making appointment, yung set appointment. So, meron dyan standard answers to fact. So, ano ba yan? May mga standard questions to most frequently asked questions. Kung may magtanong sa atin, ano ba yan? In the middle sa ating conversation, is that herbal? Di ba? Alangan naman magsabi tayo. 'Di ba sa mga baguhan, anong isasagot natin? 'Di ba, ka ganyan. Kung hindi natin alam yung sagot natin. Pero with a franchising system, eto alam natin, hindi tayo magkaka dito. We are all confident sa i-answer natin. If tanungin tayo, is that herbal? Ang isagot natin, herbal plus fruits and vegetables and a lot more. It's visual. So weekend or weekdays tayo magkita to i-present ko ito sa iyo. If magsabi siya, what is your product? Huwag kayong magsabi kagad ng intra. May 23 botanicals. No, sabihin mo na lang bitikit. Kasi parang ano ba yung bitikit, 'di ba? Ma-curious sila. So it is visual. So weekend or weekdays tayo magkita. So ganyan siya, what is bitikit? It's a detox program. It's visual. So weekend or weekdays. What is detox program? The program that help cleanse body pollution. It's visual. So weekend or weekdays. 'Di ba? Ito yung mga standard questions sa product naman natin. Kasi sabihin mo na, ang dami-dami mo ng tanong, mas mabuti magkita na lang tayo para mas ma-answeran ko siya ng mabuti. So ito naman, standard questions to most frequently asked questions about naman sa business. What is your business? Or kung may magtanong, is that networking? Huwag ka magsabi ha, networking mani, networking, oo, pero legal ito ha, legal, franchise. Hindi ganyan ha. Dapat ang isagot mo, it's franchising. It is visual. So we have to meet up. Kailan ka ba available? Weekend or weekdays? So kung magtanong naman yung prospect natin, what is your franchising business? Ang sagot natin is distributorship. It's visual. So weekend or weekdays? How much is the capital of the product? Huwag kayong magsabi na 107,000, 64,000 kasi hindi kayo sisiputin yan. Sabihin mo na lang as low as 2,000 ang kapital para na lang yang may 60 per day kung product, di ba? It's visual. So weekend or weekdays. All other questions must be replied. You have so many questions. It's better to see you so I can answer all your questions. It's visual. It's visual. So weekend or weekdays, no? Balik na naman tayo dyan. So sa surprise visit guidelines naman, ito making instant appointment. Ano ba yan? Surprise visit guidelines, leveraging approach. Typical question from prospect. So ang prospect, uy, halimbawa lang ang scenario niyan. Diba? Puntahan natin yung prospect. Yung surprise visit ha, yung hindi niya alam na pupunta ka. And it's the most effective sa lahat ng approach. Kailangan yung surprise visit. Kasi pag pag alam niya na pupunta ka, tapos intra ni ba, pero mas maganda talaga sa mga baguhan, surprise visit kasi hindi pa natin masyado alam paano mag-set appointment. So typical questions from a prospect. What brought you here? Oy, napaagi lagi ka diri. So there is something I want to ask you. Can I come in for home visit? So when you get in, notice something positive like, wow, ang nice naman ng garden yon, nice ang picture, nice place, etc. Bakit naman? Nice naman, ang cute naman ng aso nyo. Wow, ang ganda ng picture frame, ang ganda ng ganun. To invite positive vibes. Then, pag maganda na, settled na settled na yung positivity doon sa between you, use form to start a topic. Ay, by the way, yung family, starts occupation, recreation, mission. Do not preempt, no showing of product first. Kaya kung magpunta kayo sa mag-surprise visit, wag yung transparent na lalagyan or dapat hindi nyo lang yan siya bitbitin, ilagay nyo talaga sa lalagyan na hindi makikita. Wait until you can present. Never start explaining without the tools like saying, I heard you have arthritis or you want to get slim, etc. Hindi naman punta tayo doon, huy, nagpunta ako dito ba? I heard na meron ka daw stage 4 lung cancer. Ay, ayun na yan, maka-offend yan. When you proceed to your opportunity, starts with a script. By the way, can I ask a question? Yes, sure. Have you heard about leveraging? Ang prospect naman, what is that? Since it is face-to-face, present right away. Let me show you. Get your presentation material. So, note, you can also use the two other approaches. Yan, may mga role-playing tayo dito sa surprise visit, pero mas magandang gawin natin ito sa ating face-to-face na workshop. Eto, dito na naman tayo sa product follow-up. Ano yung product follow-up? Meron tayo ditong care plan. Ito, care plan. Sino ba dito may sa users, contact number, date sold, results, first day, 'di ba? Yung sabi nila 1, 3, 5, 15, 30. 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 15, 30. Ito yung mga times na i-follow up natin. Paano pa mag-follow up sa first day? Of course, hindi naman kailangan nating i-follow up sa first day. Ito, i-chat natin or tawagan natin. Have you started taking the products? Sa third day naman, have you consistently been taking it? Sa fifth day, how's the product doing for you? Normally, body adjustments are experienced, but no need to mention because not all will be experiencing it. But just wait for their feedback. If necessary, give the write-up about, are you experiencing healing crisis? Ganito ha, itong fifth day natin, ito talaga, huwag kayong magpainom kasi ito yung biggest mistake din namin noon. Nasabi namin na, ma'am, mag-inom ka niyan, ma'am ha, baka, tignan mo, baka magsakit yung tuhod mo.